I'm seeing lots of, posts about people should bin their fire sticks. People should throw them in the bin, get rid of them. People swapping their fire sticks for, was it the Unbox or Nvidia Shield? Come on, guys, tell me which one of you guys are doing that? And people are doing this because this Amazon is blocking some third party, not all, some third party apps, especially cinema. Yeah, blocking cinema. So you got your Fire Stick. Is that what you bought it for? For cinema HD? Ah, and now what's happened now? Now we've got a new cinema out that works on the Fire Stick, on the Fire TV device. Me, I can't wait for this cube to come out. But I'm hearing that it's coming out. The new the fourth gen Fire TV Cube is supposed to have that their new operating system. Is it Vegas or Vega? Which is disappointing because that, if that is true, I mean that's supposed to be a really powerful device. Which I will probably get if it's Android. Yeah, but guys, I mean, the Fire Stick is a great. If we got the normal one, the one that's not HD, then yeah, definitely throw it away. But if you've got the 4K, the 4K Max, the Cube, keep it. I mean, my main device is the Shield, but I still have my Fire TV Cube connected. It is really good. You got if you say the A word, it can turn on your lights for you. It can tell you the time. It can tell you the weather, and it's really good. I mean, there's stuff it can do my Shield can't do. So I will say, people, don't just have one device. Have two. Yeah. Have two. I mean, they Android TV, they talked about stopping side loading and stopping third party apps, and you need to be a certified or member for making applications in order to have them in their Play Store, Google Play Store. There's so much stuff going on that I think that what we're going to do in the future is get these uncertified Google Android boxes. I mean, they could be dodgy. So I don't want to hear people saying, yeah, just can't get any Android box because, come on, we did this like, over 5 years, 6, 7, 8 years ago. We used to get those cheap Chinese ones that, the remote control, you have to point it at the TV or point it at the device. They were really slow, sluggish after a while. They wouldn't get any firmware updates. Many of us had boxes that were, below version Android 5, remember, 4.6 or 4.4, and they wouldn't, even reputable companies like Minix didn't even grade it to Android 5. We're all stuck with boxes. I still got some somewhere that you can't really use them. Yeah, I'll say stick to the certified devices. The Fire Stick 4K Max. You have your apps, your Netflix, your Prime, your Disney Plus, and your Netflix is going to be in proper up to 4K. A lot of these cheapy Android boxes probably don't have, HD Netflix. Probably is an SD quality. Don't dish it just because of cinema. I mean, like they say, with cinema and all the other apps, those guys, those will make a different version that will work. I mean, nothing lasts forever, but they always find ways. There's always ways about things. All right. So let me know if you have thrown your Fire Stick in the bin. Let us know.